Hi everybody, I am Mrs. Chitra Gopinath. Welcome to the Grammar Post channel. Today we shall see the next pronoun, that is distributive pronouns. Before that, let's take an initiative in learning a new word with its meaning and usage in a sentence. This practice in every video would be an endeavor to enhance our vocabulary as well as to get into the topic of the day with an enthusiasm. So today's word is articulate, which means speak clearly and effectively. Let's see a sentence. It's very hard for me to articulate when I'm nervous. Her articulating speech drew the attention of the audience. And remember, this word can be used in any part of speech like noun, verb, adverb, or adjective depending on its placement in a sentence. However, not all the words belong to every part of speech. It depends or varies. Now, let's see what are distributive pronouns. Pronouns that refer every person or thing among a group separately rather than collectively are called distributive pronouns. For example, each, either and neither are distributive pronouns. Either always gives a positive message or there's a choice or option, but neither always conveys a negative message. They are used in two different ways. Number one, these pronouns are used as each, either or and neither nor whenever two persons or things are involved but referred separately. Here they act as singular pronouns taking singular nouns and singular verbs. For example, each girl was given a new dress. Here each is a singular pronoun and girl considered to be a singular noun and hence takes the singular verb was. Though there are two girls, we are referring each girl separately. The same explanation goes to the following examples. Either he or she is fit for the role. Neither this nor that road is safe. Number two, these pronouns are used as each of, either of and neither of when many persons or things are involved. Here they act as plural pronouns taking plural nouns but singular verb, indicating that the plural nouns are focused separately. So let's see some examples. Each of them has a pencil. Here each is a plural pronoun taking the plural noun them and has is a singular verb. Here them is a group of persons but each person in the group is referred separately and that's why it takes a singular verb has. The same explanation goes to the following examples. Either of these books is interesting. Neither of these bags is mine. Hope my articulation about today's topic must have captured your attention. We'll see another kind of pronoun in the next session. Till then, keep practicing these concepts. Please remember to like, share and subscribe this channel and post your doubts if any in the comment section. Thank you.